When you look in the mirror, what do you see? Perhaps you see a daughter, a friend, a sister, a mom, or a wife. You see joyful moments and crinkles around your eyes and difficult times that have weighed heavy on your shoulders. You see growth and change. You see scars and healing. You see strengths and weaknesses, courage and fear. You are beautiful, and you are more than your reflection. At Maskcara Beauty, we truly believe that you can have your cake and eat it too. But what does that really mean? It means you don't have to choose between financially supporting your family and spending time with them. It means you don't have to choose between helping yourself or helping others. With a little creativity, optimism, and hard work, you can have it all. And becoming a member of our community who lift and support each other, well, that's just the icing on the cake. After all, looking beautiful is nice, but feeling beautiful is life-changing. And we are in the business of changing lives. When we look in the mirror, we see a company, but we also see daughters, friends, sisters, moms, and wives, sons, brothers, fathers, and husbands too. We see exciting successes and frustrating setbacks. We see growth and change. We see commitment to family and community. We see a mission that inspires impact beyond outward beauty. We are Maskcara Beauty, and we are more than makeup.